Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy knotted boho braid. So you're just going to begin by parting the hair on one side and then twisting that side of the hair back along the hairline to the opposite side of the head and secure it in place with bobby pins. Then you can pull out any little flyaway pieces just to give it a more messy look. You're going to gather the other side of your hair into a ponytail and then split it into two sections. You'll use those two sections to just tie a regular knot. Once you get that knot tied, don't worry about it being perfect. Just get it as tight as you can and then tie another knot directly below it. And continue tying knots down the entire length of your hair. Once you get to the end, you can fasten it with a decorative hair tie. And fix the front of your hair until you get it in a shape that you like. I'm just adding a little volume here and there, tightening the twisted side, and I'm going to pull the very front section of my hair back and pin it in place. So you'll just twist it a little bit, push it up for a little more volume, and then insert the bobby pins. And feel free to play with this hairstyle as much as you need to until you get it looking good. And that's it. I hope you guys like this hairstyle. Please let me know if you try it. If you did enjoy the hairstyle, please like the video and subscribe. Also leave me a comment and let me know if there's anything you'd like to see. Thanks.